meat freezer right here. Freezer full of good aim, baby. That's what we call it, the meat freezer. This is where all the deer, hogs, turkeys, whatever, this is where they end up at, right here in the meat freezer. And it's getting kind of low. Got to go out there and get some arrows through some deers or some hogs or something. All right, one of the things I definitely enjoy about this entire process is filling the old meat freezer. I got a little stew meat right here. Get those down in there. My buddy always gives me a hard time about the stew meat. You know, one season I got a lot of stew meat or whatever. He was just like, you know, there's more to deer than the damn stew meat, which there is, but the stew meat's so freaking good. Got some cube steaks. Got those. Those are favorite. Of course, back straps, tenderloins. That's what everybody's favorite, right? That's what everybody wants to get. The old straps. But either way, this is why you get up early in the morning. Freezing temperatures this time of the year. All of that hot. And when the season first starts in September, that's what all this did. This is what we're for. This right here. Filling the old meat freezer, a little deer meat. It goes a long way, baby. That's what it's all about. Wall hangers are cool, all that good stuff, but filling the meat freezer, that's what we're out here for. Ah, jalapeno cheddar sausage. Yeah, definitely gonna get down on that. All right, one drop off. Time to go back out here and try to get some more. Official BryantLand.com, official BryantLand.com. Support the merch that supports the brand. Official BryantLand.com.